Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study HTML easily step by step. Open a code editor and a browser to follow along. Begin by learning core tags and structure, then practice by building a simple page. Try changing headings and paragraphs, then view the results in your browser. Experiment often and save versions so you can track progress and fix mistakes as you learn at a steady, comfortable pace. Set aside short, focused sessions for hands-on practice and build tiny projects each time. Start with a basic page and add one new element per session, like images or lists. View your changes in the browser and tweak until it looks right. Save each version and note what you learned to track progress. Consistent practice beats long sessions, so aim for daily, manageable steps that keep momentum and reduce frustration. Mix tutorials, interactive sandboxes, and reference guides to learn efficiently and stay engaged. Copy example code, then tweak it to observe how behavior changes. When you hit questions, consult a clear reference or tutorial rather than guessing. Join a community or forum to ask quick questions and get feedback. Keep a short notes file of common patterns so you can review what works and apply those patterns in your projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.